Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkho's channel. In today's video I will show you how to resolve issues with Windows Search Indexer causing high CPU and memory usage. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing problems with the Windows Search Indexer consuming excessive CPU and memory resources, there are a couple of effective solutions. First, we will try rebuilding the search index. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Indexing Options. Select the Indexing Options result that appears. On the Indexing Options page, click on the Advanced button. You will see an option to rebuild the index. Click this button, which will initiate the process of deleting and rebuilding the index. Please be aware that this operation may take some time to complete. You can minimize this window and continue using your computer while the rebuild is in progress. If rebuilding the index does not resolve the high CPU and memory usage, the next step is to restart the Windows Search Service. Again, use the Windows search bar and type Services. Open the Services application. In the Services window, scroll down the list until you find the Windows Search Service. Right-click on the Windows Search Service, and then select the Restart option from the context menu. This will restart the service and can often clear up temporary glitches causing performance issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.